Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today is Thursday. We are coming to you with a Charlie's Nail Art Supply manicure. The items I'm going to be using is this beautiful foil. I think this is really just gorgeous. I have not had luck with foils in my past. I did buy a new nail foil glue by Marartt. I hear everybody rave about this, so I'm going to try this out. I'm using Beetles polishes. The white is number 477. I've got some orange going on, that is number 450, along with the base and top coat. What else am I using? I'll be using some little gems, which are not from Charlie's, but they are, they're called for. You gotta have some bling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my polishes first off, and then we're going to be doing a little marbling, some swirl. We're gonna put us a fresh coat of white on. Maybe get some on the brush, so we can swirl with. Give us a marble effect, which is what I did here on the thumb and pinky. I think that turned out really cute. I'm going to get me the orange. Put some little stripes across the nail. Then I'm going to get my dotting tool. And it doesn't matter what size you use. Just get your dotting tool. Raise your hand, kind of do figure eights through it, swirl it about. Try to have a light hand. That's something I don't have. Just kind of draw in the paint here. So I'm going to let that set, because the beautiful thing with gel polish, it does level itself out. You can even take it, hold it upside down, and it will level itself out. Trust me, it works. So I'm going to do that. Isn't that cute? I think it's just gorgeous. And let that sit over there and finish self-leveling out for a minute. I'm going to get the Marartt nail foil glue. And we're going to give this baby a try. That's probably way too much. Probably just a thin layer is fine. I'm going to cure that for 60. Put that cap back on. We don't want that to cure. Same thing with your orange and your white. Put your caps back on. You're finished with those for right now. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm going to put my foil glue on this nail, because the index and ring finger are the one that's going to have the foil. I just hope and pray that they turn out. Everybody raves about the Marartt foil glue, so I had to purchase it. I got it off Amazon, and I did pay for it. It wasn't cheap. I heard you can get it off AliExpress for like a few bucks a bottle. Well, I bought it off Amazon for 2 bottles. And then, let me show you. It was 2 bottles plus these foils. This beautiful one here. We got different designs. I can't wait to try these out. Then you got your typical. I think these are pretty much your standard foils that you see. Really like that pink one. So I got those for 20 bucks. And I just dropped them on the floor. So I am gonna pop. Whoops, let me get that one out. I'll put this one in the lamp now. Cure that for 60. And then we're gonna get our piece of foil. I want to concentrate on that flower right there. I really hope this works. I just don't know. Keep your fingers crossed for me, because I've not had good luck when it comes to foils. Ah, looky, looky, looky. It worked, it worked, it worked. We have got a full design. It worked, it worked, it worked. How beautiful is that? Okay. Now fresh out of the lamp is our middle finger. It looks really cute. Next I'm going to stick the other foil nail that I'm going to do in the lamp for 60. And you can get these on Charlie's Nail Art Supply.co.uk. I will put the link. The link is always in my description box. I have a 10% off code. It is NAILEDIT10, all caps. Save yourself 10% off your bill at Charlie's, and you can get a lot, say for $10 even. I did a haul the other day that I posted, and I had a boatload of stuff from Charlie's. And I mean, I had a lot. 20 bucks, if that. But you can get these pennies on the dollar. They have great patterns to pick from. Love them, love them, love them. So we got one more foil to do, and then we're gonna top coat and put our bling on. Can't forget that. So let me pick some sizes out now. Oh, can't get the foil up. This is such a beautiful pattern. I really like it a lot. And I guess it just takes the heat from your fingers. But it works. It really, really works. Just take it, rub it on lightly. Peel it right off. And there you go. You have a beautiful foiled nail. Now I'm going to go in with some top coat. Ouch. And we're going to add some, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. We're going to put some top coat on. Cover all of the nail, sidewalls included. Get those done real well. Cover that beautifully foiled nail. I think this is just a great manicure. I really do. You got your foiled nails, you got your marbled nail. I think they turned out beautifully. What more could you ask for, right? A beautiful, I think that's just gorgeous, I really do. I know I may be a little partial because I am the one who did it. Oh, these ones are hard to see. Really hard to see. So we're just going to take a couple, put them on the nail. Hopefully they don't slide off. I'm having a hard time seeing them. Trying to put them where there isn't color. You just gotta be selective. Be selective. Let me see, let me see. We'll put one in the middle of the flower. There, we're going to pop these babies in the lamp for 60. Give them a full cure. And we will be right back. Okay, we are back, or at least I think we are. Sorry for the hobble and the bobble. We are back with our manicure. I think this is beautiful. You could wear this in the fall, I guess. You wear it right now. In the late spring, early summer. Love, love, love the flowers. The marbling, I think, turned out really cute. It's how to marble with a gel. Hope you've enjoyed. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Would you wear these? If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And don't forget to click the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos I upload lately 3 to 4 times a week. And you'll get to see all that. You'll get notified first off. Well, that is it for today. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.